ACFG, nigga. Fuck with me. You're $8. Boatload full of bricks, nigga. Big money coming in, nigga. Bad bitches down a flip, nigga. It's King Dot, I'm the shit, nigga. Boatload full of bricks, nigga. Big money coming in, nigga. Bad bitches down a flip, nigga. It's King Dot, I'm the shit, nigga. Boatload full of bricks, nigga. Big money coming in, nigga. Bad bitches down a flip, nigga. It's King Dot, I'm the shit, nigga. A lot of bricks, those is mine, nigga. Bad bitches, nigga. Big money, nigga. I'm laughing at you like hot, nigga. That money chasing me, big bucks. I got a line of bitches, get my dick sucked. These hoes ain't worth a penny or an odd buck. I lost a couple thousand, fuck, that's my luck. That strict money, round with that sick money. Smoke a nigga for that big money. Light a nigga, that's big money. Ain't now a nigga get shit from me. Ride around with them killers, they totin' they pistols. I dare nigga like Boatload full of bricks, nigga. Big money coming in, nigga. Bad bitches down a flip, nigga. It's King Dot, I'm the shit, nigga. Boatload full of bricks, nigga. Big money coming in, nigga. Bad bitches down a flip, nigga. It's King Dot, I'm the shit, nigga. Got a boatload of that coca. That boy in, that girl in, that boy look like mocha, a choker, latte. Holla at my compadre, he tell me bring that work in. I'm cool with bringing that work in. We getting money, that's big profits. The king, bitch, obey your highness. I got the work if you need product. I bring the work if you paying mileage. Don't try your luck, the AK is silent. Shout out to Pablo, I'm paying homage. A bunch of ignorant gauge around me. It's Hit It Clan, the whole state is mobbing like, that's 8-3, 15-5, ACOE, till the day I die.
Flame gang, I let it fly. No face structure, nigga. When I talk about boatload full of fish, nigga. Unload all these clips, nigga. You smell me? I'm the shit, nigga. King Dot, I done took they bricks, nigga.
Boatload full of bricks, nigga. Big money coming in, nigga. Bad bitches down a flip, nigga. It's King Dot, I'm the ACFG, nigga. Fuck with me, you heard? I'ma let that nigga Holiday talk to you niggas.
Yo, Dot, woo! What up, nigga? Fuck these niggas, ain't no love for them. Niggas out here getting money, while you niggas out here getting emotional.